Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Fortnite. There was a problem, you were removed from the match due to internet lag or your IP or machine or VPN usage or cheating. Let's fix it guys. You just need to click on this arrow icon over here and right click on the Epic Games and select exit. You have to do that every single time you want to play Fortnite, and then open up Steam. If you don't have Steam, then you just need to check my video description for Steam download link. Click on library, and now you just need to select add a game over here and select add a non-Steam game. In here you just need to search for Epic Games Launcher and select add selected programs. And after adding the Epic Games, you just need to click on it and click on the play option. It will launch normal like when you are trying to play Fortnite guys. Now click on the library. Now launch the Fortnite. Hopefully your issue has been resolved at this point guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.